Alright, you know how hot the summer is this time in India? It's getting really difficult to step outside. But you know what else is hot? The Great Indian Summer Sale on Amazon. Yes, it's back and it's starting from 2nd of May. You're going to get some biggest discounts on dash cams and most of the other electronic products. So if you are planning on buying a dash cam, I recommend you step back for a day or two. So once the sale starts, you're going to save a lot of money from the same purchase if you had made it a day earlier. So I'll be bringing up detailed videos showing you the best cameras under the price bracket of 5,000, under 10,000, and even bring you the latest 4K cameras which you can buy in this sale with some super cool discounted prices. So you need to make sure that you're following my channel, you need to make sure that you're following me on my Facebook and the Instagram page and the WhatsApp page as well. So I'll be posting updates on all of these platforms regarding the super cool discounts most dash cams are going to get, so you can make that purchase decision and save yourself a lot of money. I'll be providing all the links to the review videos if you want to take a closer look at the cameras, and also provide you with the purchase links so that it becomes very convenient and easy for you to buy the dash cam of your choice. So super awesome, interesting videos coming up on my channel as soon as the sale starts, so you need to make sure that you watch them before you make that purchase decision. Also do note guys that the free giveaway contest on my channel is still going on and you can still stand a chance to win yourself a free VO4 A119 Mini 2 dash cam. Yes, we just completed 8 out of the 15 videos allotted for this giveaway contest, and I've already put up the names of all those viewers who have already qualified for the lucky draw. So only 7 more videos to go, after which one lucky winner will win the VO4 A119 Mini 2. Well, the other top 5 contestants are also going to get discount coupons as well. So if you haven't still been participating in the contest, all you need to do is just comment on my next 7 videos and you will stand a chance to win this dash cam. And guess what? As soon as the VO4 winner is given away, a new giveaway contest is coming up, and this time the prize is going to be the Philips Go Sure dash cam, and there's not going to be 1 but 2 winners. Yes, I'll be giving away 2 Philips Go Sure dash cams for free in the upcoming giveaway contest as soon as the VO4 A119 Mini 2 contest comes to an end. So back-to-back giveaway contest to my loyal viewers, to my loyal subscribers. This is your best opportunity to make the most out of it. It's time to purchase those dash cams with some super cool discounts on the Amazon sale, and it's time to win yourself free dash cams with the free giveaway contest on my channel. All this at your fingertips, only and only on Travel Tech. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.